Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I'm going to show in this video how to fix you can't place a WhatsApp call if you are already on a phone call problem on your WhatsApp. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing the error while placing a WhatsApp call on your WhatsApp, then I will show you a couple of steps you can try and fix this issue. In this, the first method you can try is just open the Play Store, then tap on this search in the bottom, then search for WhatsApp. If your WhatsApp is not up to date, then update it from here. After updating, just once enable the flight mode and disable it again. After that, check whether your issue has been resolved or not. Still you are facing the issue, then open the settings, scroll down, tap on the apps, tap on see all apps. In this, tap on this search, then find WhatsApp. Tap on the WhatsApp. Once tap on force stop, tap on OK. Then find storage and cache. Tap on this, then tap on clear cache. Then go back, close this window, restart your phone. After restarting, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix you can't place a WhatsApp call if you are already on a phone call problem on your WhatsApp. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.